Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see DNS server configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. First, you have to open your Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, this is your work area. In this, you are going to create the configuration for DNS server. DNS server is nothing but the domain name service. Now see, for this, you have to select the icon from this left bottom corner. Now see, it is showing different network devices available. Again, end component. So from network devices, we need switches. So from switches, you have to select the PT switch. Just drag and drop. Okay. So this is a switch PT. After this, again go to the end devices. From end devices, you can select the PC. Just drag and drop. Again, select server. We are going to create domain name service, so server is required. Now see, we have to establish connection between these devices. So go to the connection. You can select the automatic connection, or you can select the copper thread through connection. Now, when we use connection between different devices, we can use this. Connect to the switch. Again, select the fast Ethernet 0, 1. Again, same connection. See, you have to select from here. Again, just click here. It will show the fast Ethernet 1, 1. Select this. Again, establish connection with the server and select the option fast Ethernet. Okay, just connectivity we have done, but we have to set the IP addresses for these devices. So double click on this server. Now see, it is showing window like this. From this, you have to select desktop. Again, from desktop, you have to select IP configuration. From IP configuration, now we'll set the IP address for server. So IP address for server will be 192.168.1.1. Okay, if you click here, it will take subnet mask automatically. Default gateway will be 0.0.0.0 and domain name server. Make sure that it is the same like IPv4 address. So just I will copy it and paste. You can type also. Once you have done this setting, just close this towards this services tab. So select the services. From that, select the HTTP tag. Now see, here it is showing one index.html file. Index.html. So just click on edit button. We are going to edit this file. So delete. Give your expected name to this file in the header part. So first we will create the tag as a header. This is a closing tag and opening tag for the header. So within this, give the heading as Cisco Packet Tracer. Again, you can create the paragraph also. So create the tag for paragraph, that is a P. Then closing bracket, paragraph P. Within this, we'll type DNS service configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. Here is option to save. So just save this. It will show the message. This file is already exists. You want to overwrite, just click on yes. Once you set with the services, again select the DNS. Here it is in services only. DNS. Just click on button because we want to on the DNS service. Now see what name you want to give. Name as Packet Tracer or just simply Cisco I will give. That's it. Address. Now see, address we have to add same as a server, and this type will be a record only, and address will be 192.168.1.1. This was address of my server. Okay, so just click on add button. So now say it will get added here. Okay, now just close this window. Now open this PC. Again from PC, desktop, select the tab desktop. Again from desktop, select the IP configuration. Now we have to set IP address as 68.1.2. Again, just click here, it will automatically take the subnet mask. Again, see DNS server address. DNS server address was 192.168.1.1. So that's why we have to remember the DNS server address, because everywhere will require. Now just close this window. Now see, within this box only, here you will get the web browser. So open the web browser. Now here we have to type the URL. So URL, either we can provide the IP address or name of our website. So just I will type the name Cisco and I will click on go button. Now see, it is showing the details, that is header I have given as Cisco Packet Tracer, and DNS service configuration is Cisco Packet Tracer, whatever paragraph I have written. So instead of this DNS name, I can provide the IP address also. So IP address was 192.168.1.1. It was for server. So just click on go button. See, again it is showing the same content. Now see, to check the connectivity, again open the PC, open the command prompt, and you can send as a ping message from 192.168.1.2. Now see, ping command is from this PC and its IP address was 192.168.1. Just press the enter button. Now see, it is showing replies, it is showing the messages, but here it is taking the IP address. So here also we can give name to machine. Now see how to give name to the machine. So double click on server tab. Again select the services option. And that select the DNS, that is domain name service. Now suppose we want to give name to this machine as Deepa. So just type the name Deepa. Type will be same Eric address, IP address of that machine. So 192.168.1. Okay. Once you type this, click on add button. Now see, it is added here. Now see, we want to check whether it is accepting, whether it is sending packages by using this name or not. So just close this. Then from this machine, open the desktop tab. Then within that, command prompt. Now see, if I type IP address 192.168.1.2, it is pinging, it is sending and receiving ping, and name, that is Deepa. Just press enter. Now see, again it has started sending and receiving the packets. Now send packet 4, received 4. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.